Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Regina, most people call me G, and I am the owner of Bookerzbling. Bookerzbling started back in around 2017-18 when I just decided that I wanted to start making t-shirts and blinging up cups and stuff like that, and it has grown from there. I started on Etsy, had great success there. Unfortunately, Etsy decided to suspend my account for no reason. For months I tried to contact them to try to get it back up, and I guess they just don't care. So I decided to build my own website. I'm on Facebook now, we're on Poshmark. We've spread out to other apps and platforms to try to sell all the bling items, and so far we're seeing pretty good success. After bedazzling and blinging up costumes for dancers and fitness pros and stuff like that, I decided to start getting my hands into some more apparel. So not only do we do custom t-shirts, but now we have we're starting like a mini boutique section that goes with Bookerzbling. And yes, we still do custom orders, so if you have an idea or you want something done, you can just email us at bookerzbling.com and we will get back to you as soon as possible and try to help bring those ideas to life. So yeah, thank you guys so much for your support. Anyway, so we have our Black Friday sale. I brought it up on the laptop here. I designed this little banner thing yesterday. What we're doing is we put everything on sale almost, and then if you use code QUEEN10, you get an additional 10% off. Plus, if your order is over $60, you get free shipping. So this is a mega sale we've got going on. We've never done something this big before, so hop on it while you can. We updated our website, so we got the bling belts, we got the bling shoes, we've got bling headphones. Today I'm going to be doing a set of AirPod Max covers for like the headphones. We're bedazzling these with the clear rhinestones. We're doing that today. So yeah, it's just really exciting. I am so thankful for every single one of you guys. And please don't forget to follow us on social media, like, share, and subscribe here. Also, we're running a giveaway. We're giving away a makeup palette, an eyelash kit, and a keychain holders. It's bedazzled. It's got like rhinestones on it. It's so pretty. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. See ya, Bling Queens.